Hello. So today I finished this project during the morning. Juniper, communish something, and I'm going to take advantage that the weather is still good today and take care of my pine. I bought this pine, I ordered it online during December 2024, so it has been on this basket since almost 1 year. It's a Pinus densiflora, a red pine from Japan, and I'm going to put it on a bigger pot. Let's do this. It's okay. Not too much damage, some damage though. So you know, if you watch my videos, that I like to remove most of the soil and then I'm going to use it again. This substrate might have some mycelium, which are beneficial bacteria for the tree, for the pine. Okay, and that's it. I'm going to let the tree be and grow as she wishes for at least 1 year, and I'll get back to it maybe next year. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great week. See you next weekend. Bye.